In this example, we will be finding the square root of 4. Usually, to find the square root of a value, we will look at the factors of that value and then expand out. However, square root of 4 is a rare case because 4 is an example of a perfect square. A perfect square is a value that if you take the square root of that perfect square, you end up with a whole number as your answer. Therefore, we can utilize this concept in order to find the square root of 4. Let's first look at the factors of 4. Factors of 4 include 1 times 4 and 2 times 2. As you can see, because 2 times 2 gives us 4, that means that 2 squared equals 4. We can then write the square root of 4 simply as 2. This will be our final answer, and we don't need to approximate or simplify further, as the square root of 4 is exactly 2.